Welcome to the video on publishing and unpublishing your course content along with the courses. First, pick the class you want to work with. Click on that tile. Notice on the top right-hand side, it says course status, and it is unpublished. If I go over and click on publish, that will publish my course so that my students will be able to see this particular course. They will have a tile on their dashboard for IT7 Computers Rotation 1 First Hour. To unpublish a module, an assignment, a lesson, or a quiz, you will click Modules, and then you will go through and select what you want to unpublish. I highly suggest that you leave Welcome to Class, Your Journey Begins Here published, because that's the page with your information and your class resources. Under the resource module, I would leave Online Learning, What Do You Need published, and then from there, I would go and unpublish any assignment, lesson, or quiz from the first module after the first assignment or quiz is turned in. So I am going to leave week 1, lesson 1, week 1, lesson 2, week 1, lesson 3, week 1, lesson 4, week 1, lesson 5, and week 1, assignment module 1, all published. I am going to start with week 2, lesson 1, and click on the green arrow to unpublish those lessons, assignments, and quizzes so that students cannot access those until I am ready for them to do so. When I am ready for them to access those, I will need to go back in and publish them. I'm going to unpublish Module 2. So the top line with the module name, that is a light gray, I'm going to click on the green plus or check mark. Even though the assignments, lessons, and quizzes still have a green check showing that they are published, because I published the module, those will not be published where the students can see it until I publish Module 2. I'm going to go down through and do the same thing with Module 3, Module 4, Module 5, Module 6, and the semester project, so that they are all unpublished. So when the kids log in and go to my IT7 course, they will only see the home page and then the Module 1, Lesson 1, Lesson 2, Lesson 3, Lesson 4, Lesson 5, and the assignment module. If you want to see what it would look like as a student, if you click on Home, then over on the right-hand side, click on Student View. That will give you an idea of what the students will be seeing when they go into your course. Students, once they're in their course, can either click on Learning Modules from the home page or from the list on the left-hand side. When I click on Learning Modules, notice that they only see Welcome to Class, Your Journey Begins Here, Resources, and my Module 1, Lesson 2, Lesson 3, Lesson 4, Lesson 5, and Assignment 1. When you are publishing your course, you will want to make sure that you have the first lesson or lessons published and the first assignment or quiz published. At this point, everything else should be unpublished. To leave the student view, down in the right-hand corner, just click on the button that says Leave Student View. That will then take you back to the teacher view, where you can now continue working.